Gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA, is a type of omega-6 fatty acid. It's one of the many essential nutrients that play a vital role in maintaining our overall health. Don't let the word fat scare you. Not all fats are bad. In fact, some fats are crucial for our well-being. Our bodies need some fat to be healthy. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts and seeds, provide essential nutrients and energy. GLA is considered an essential fatty acid because our bodies can't make it on their own. This means we must obtain it from external sources. This means we need to get it from the food we eat or from supplements. Foods rich in GLA include certain plant oils and seeds. GLA plays a crucial role in our health because it helps create important chemicals called prostaglandins. These chemicals are vital for various bodily functions. Think of prostaglandins as tiny messengers that travel throughout our bodies, regulating various functions like controlling inflammation and keeping our skin healthy. They are essential for maintaining balance in our systems. Because our bodies can't produce GLA, it's important to make sure we're getting enough of it through our diet or supplementation. Ensuring a balanced intake can support overall health. In the next section, we'll explore some of the best sources of GLA. Stay tuned to learn how you can incorporate these into your daily routine. Luckily, there are several delicious ways to incorporate GLA into your diet. Some of the best sources include evening primrose oil, borage oil, and blackcurrant seed oil. These oils are often available in supplement form, making it easy to get a concentrated dose of GLA. You can also find GLA naturally in certain foods. Nuts and seeds like hemp seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts contain small amounts of GLA. Adding these foods to your diet can be a great way to boost your intake. GLA, or gamma-linolenic acid, offers a wide range of potential health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. One of its most well-known uses is for relieving the symptoms of eczema, a common skin condition. Eczema causes dryness, itching, and inflammation, making it uncomfortable and sometimes painful. GLA may help improve these symptoms by reducing inflammation and supporting overall skin health, leading to clearer, more comfortable skin. In addition to its benefits for skin health, GLA may also help reduce the pain and discomfort associated with rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic inflammatory disorder that affects the joints, causing pain and swelling. Research suggests that GLA's anti-inflammatory properties may help alleviate pain and stiffness in individuals with this condition, improving their quality of life. Beyond these specific conditions, GLA may also support overall health and well-being by contributing to various bodily functions. Its role in prostaglandin production means that it may contribute to regulating blood pressure, improving heart health, and even reducing the symptoms of PMS, making it a versatile supplement for many. Section 4. Potential side effects and precautions. While GLA is generally safe for most people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Some individuals may experience mild digestive upset, such as nausea or diarrhea, when they first start taking GLA supplements. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking any medications, it's essential to consult your healthcare professional before adding GLA supplements to your routine. They can help determine the appropriate dosage and ensure that GLA won't interact with any existing health conditions or medications. Section 5. GLA and other essential fatty acids. It's important to note that GLA, or gamma-linolenic acid, is just one of many essential fatty acids that our bodies need for optimal health and wellness. Another important type is omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in fatty fish like salmon and tuna, known for their heart-healthy benefits, as well as in plant-based sources like flaxseed and walnuts, which are great for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Both omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for our health, playing significant roles in brain function and cell growth. But it's important to maintain a healthy balance between the two to avoid potential health issues. Consuming too much omega-6 fatty acids and not enough omega-3s can contribute to inflammation in the body, leading to chronic health problems over time. Section 6. Incorporating GLA into a healthy lifestyle. Adding GLA to your diet or supplement regimen can be a simple yet powerful way to support your overall health. Start by incorporating GLA-rich foods like hemp seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts into your meals and snacks. If you're considering taking GLA supplements, talk to your doctor to determine the appropriate dosage for you. And remember, GLA is most effective when combined with a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques.